Binance Earn Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Binance Earn Wallet app is more than just a storage platform. You won't believe what happens next. It allows users to earn interest on crypto through staking, savings, and liquidity products, all within the Binance ecosystem. On the pro side, Binance Earn supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer altcoins. Users can choose flexible or locked savings, fixed-term staking, and liquidity farming options, each offering different rates. Interest compounds automatically, and the platform integrates seamlessly with Binance trading accounts, making it easy to move assets between earning and trading. Security is strong, including two-factor authentication and withdrawal protections. The app also provides detailed analytics to track performance and estimated earnings. On the con side, rates can fluctuate based on market demand and token supply. Locked-term products restrict liquidity, meaning your funds may be inaccessible for a set period. Beginners may find the variety of earning options overwhelming, and network or transaction fees may apply when moving crypto out of the wallet. Regulatory restrictions in certain regions may also limit access to some products. In conclusion, Binance Earn Wallet app is ideal for users looking to maximize passive income from their crypto holdings. While it comes with some complexity and limited liquidity for certain products, its wide asset support, flexible earning options, and strong integration with Binance Trading make it one of the most powerful crypto earning apps available.